Oh gosh, 26 minutes. That's all.
Oh my gosh,
That's
you
all.
don't see outside
That's
the snow
all.
in the booth.
Let's go about 6 minutes. Go for it. That's now. I'm wasting my life for you guys. I'm gonna tell you to down here. This is snow in Tucson, Arizona for you guys here. So yeah, pretty much a like, comment, and subscribe for you guys here because it's snowing in Tucson, Arizona here, and this is once in a lifetime. It snows in Tucson, Arizona here. It really rare it snows in Tucson, Arizona here. So I'll probably come out tomorrow here and do a part 2 of snow. I'll probably do a part 2 of snowing in Tucson, Arizona, and do a check-in for you guys here. So please, this will be to be continued here. So yeah, so this is part 1 of Tucson snow premiere of Tucson, Arizona here. So yeah, and so this premiere will premiere tomorrow at 7 a.m. in the morning here. So yeah, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe here, comment below for waiting about this premiere here, and please turn this reminder bell on so you won't miss this premiere here. And so yeah, I am. And so yeah. And so yeah. So please turn the mind bar on here so I'll miss this upload, this premiere on here. And please comment, subscribe here, and share on my channel here so miss this premiere here. And so yeah, and I'll probably do a part 2 tomorrow here as well to check in on the snow tomorrow here, okay? And so yeah, so I'm in this video here, so I can upload this part 1 video of the part 1 of snow in Tucson, Arizona tonight here. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow here. Bye.